This is our first long trip, and I expect all of you to behave, be quiet on the trip, no barking orders out, and I want you to go potty now, because I don't want to hear about this later. We're on the road, we gotta stop. Okay, we agree? Silence means acceptance.
Hi everyone, we're so excited because we're getting ready to head out for our first 3-week trip. First stop's going to be Ohio, and then on to Pennsylvania, where we're going to do our very first meet and greet at the Hershey RV Show. We can't wait to meet everyone, to share our adventures with you, and just excited.
So, on our journey to the Hershey RV Show, we stopped at the KOA in Columbus. I think it's the Buckeye KOA. You know, before I record these videos, I should probably know exactly where I am. But I wanted to record this as part of our trip because I went to open the driver's side door. Let me show you. On the RV. And it wasn't open. And it wasn't because it was locked. Now, I have it locked at the moment, but I came up with a solution to this problem, and I want to share it with you. So let me unlock. Okay, I've already unlocked it. So what happened was, you know, these handles here, right? Unlock. And I turned that one to unlock, but guess what? It wouldn't come undone. And what I found was this had come loose. Now I found when I opened the door, when I finally got it open, I had to kind of pry it open, this dropped off, and we think the screw is down here somewhere. But the point of this story is, when I replaced these with the little cam locks, I kept all the original latches. And really all I need is this little screw. So I guess the point or the moral of the story is, don't always throw these things away, because I kept these in a little jug in the front bay. All right, I'll try to do this one-handed, but it looks like it does thread in there. There we go. Problem solved. All right, there we go. Good morning.
Good morning, everyone. Day 2 of our 3-week trip. Next stop is Hershey, Pennsylvania, and we're excited about the day. It's really pretty outside.
It got cold.
It got cold. Right now it's 45 degrees.
Before we left the house, he was like, "Do we need to bring this little heater?" I'm like, "No, I don't think so." Well, you probably used that little heater
Yeah.
overnight. It got pretty chilly.
Yeah, we bought 2 fans in case it got hot, but didn't bring the heater. So anyway, we'll share the day with you.
Yep.
Have a good one now.
Do me a favor. Hand me the papers. Because I need to get the papers for the trip. Right here. I think we were supposed to turn back there. There's 1 point off, right?
That's right, 1 point off. So far, so good. Be careful.
I'm looking, I can see. Still see you in my mirror.
Right?
I mean, in the camera. Still see you in my camera.
You can.
All right, let me just see where we are.
Okay, I think that's good. I think you're...
I hooked up on Jack's flag.
That's okay. I think you look good.
I have to clear this, so.
Huh?
I have to clear this. So I'm going to come back a little bit
Just
more.
a little bit. So, just a little bit. Stop, stop, stop.
Really not level at all.
How bad is it?
It's like 8 inches. I'm not even sure if the level is.
Really?
Yeah.
Let me go check this out. Jeez.
Good morning. It is day 3
Of our 3-week trip.
for a 3-week trip. Our first week, we're on quote vacation end quote because I say that because we kind of busy and we're not relaxing a whole lot, at least not yet. But we are on our way to pick up our press passes, and that just sounds so cool. Dave and Tina picking up their press pass. So we're heading down to the Giant Center to get those picked up.
Register.
And register and get our passes.
And we're planning on doing the Hershey Chocolate Tour today, which I'm very excited about. I can't wait.
Yeah, that sounds like a lot of fun too.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Well, we'll catch up with you here in a minute.
Bye now.
All right. It's official. Oops. We got our very first press pass,
Yay.
and we're checking out our Hershey Chocolate World. Okay, let's find out what they mean by world's largest. Okay, that is, what is that? Pound. That's 1 pound. Two half-pound cups. So 1 pound of Reese's cups. I might have to get those. Look, it's only 140 calories. And the world's largest Hershey bar, and that is 5 pounds. Okay, Tina, check this out. Right here.
Yes, please.
You want to get that?
Maybe. I'll think about it. It would be considered like your fudge at Mackinac Island.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
That looks, oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's 1 pound.
Yes. Look at this.
5 pounds.
Yeah. And how many pounds would it put on you to eat this 5 pounds of chocolate?
Funny she said that because I just commented. You eat 5 pounds of chocolate, you gain like 20, 25. Doesn't make sense. Okay, so Tina loves Reese's Cups. Actually, so do I. So if you see us saying sorry, not sorry, comments all the time, that's why. It's been a lot of fun.
It has been.
If you come to Hershey, Pennsylvania, you have to go to the Hershey. This be the Hershey Factory
tour, yeah.
Yeah, we haven't done the tour just yet.
But the entrance, well, it's going to get you in trouble. Lots of souvenirs, lots of candy, and then you walk around. There's like these homemade Hershey milkshakes, cupcakes. Oh man.
Yeah.
Stay far away from those.
Everything I shouldn't have. And so far I've behaved and I haven't had any. So, but we did get a cup of coffee.
We did.
So we're waiting for some friends, and we're going to try to get the tour in today. If not, maybe tomorrow.
Right.
I'm going to do it. I'm going to get it. I know I shouldn't, but I'm going to. So I got Reese's pants and a pound of Reese's peanut butter cups. Oh, I see Tina.
$174.20.
Later that day.
We're back.
We're back.
And we are meeting with,
Shelley, Kay, and Mike.
that's right, meeting up with the Confers. We're going to hook up with them here shortly. And maybe try to get on a tour this evening.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to find them.
Finally, like in person.
Hey.
What's
going on, man? How you doing?
How are you?
Nice to finally meet you guys in person.
And here we are with Shelley K.
Hi.
And Mike is up here. They are camping with the Confers. And if you haven't checked them out yet, please do so. We'll put a link to their channel down below. Go check them out.
But I want someone to tell me about it. I don't have to read it.
You know, maybe they should charge for this so they can fix their signs.
Right?
Where was the holdout?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory tour. For your safety, please remain seated with your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go.
Have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa.
The only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste.
Do what?
Something, I don't remember, and these are, I don't know what they are. I'm not giving you any good information. It's something new. They're called Freaky Squeeze.
Okay.
Freaky Squeeze. A spiked peach orangeade, a spiked black cherry limeade, and spiked tangerine.
Looks delicious. What'd you guys get?
Well, I got the, can I sell? I don't want to be backwards here. I got the Dreamweaver. I got the Oktoberfest, the Amber Lager, and that. that right there.
And however you say that.
And here's why Tina is smarter than me, because I like pulled up the menu to see what mine was called, and they wrote it right on the paper. So
I love you.
okay, it's been a long day. Travel days are rough.
They are
They
rough.
are rough, that's for sure.
Hey, what did you get?
I got the golden russet cycle.
Oh.
I'll go get it.
And I got the. What did I get?
What did you get?
What did I get? I got the perpetual hoppy. I got the perpetual hoppy. Okay. So cheers.
Cheers.
New old friends.
New old friends, meeting new old friends.
Oh, that's good.
Now wait till you try that pop.
I like this one.
Are you excited for this?
This is a sour,
See, I'm not
but I like cider too.
Try this
Pretty
one.
good, isn't it?
That is good.
This is their
I'm not a big popcorn fan. I mean, I eat popcorn.
Do you want to try this sour, even though you don't really like sours? Maybe this one you like.
Oh, that's good. Hey, look!
It's Harry!
It's them! Hey guys!
It's Sharon and Joe! Woohoo! It's the boys!
Nice meeting you, man. That's smart.
So weird.
It's so great.
Good. I'm excited. I'm excited. The only reason why I was like, I looked up the thing. I'm like, maybe we'll meet some YouTubers, and I looked it up and saw both your names, and I'm like, what the heck? My nephew is working at the thing, so that's the only reason why I came. Oh, really? You're coming, yeah.
Well, that's very cool.
And I saw your names, and I'm like, oh my god.
We're glad you're here.
Yeah, it was really exciting. But I'm glad you guys get to see our one of our favorite breweries all in the whole country.
Listen, look at us. We're doing a
Yeah,
good
we
job.
just sat down with it.
The new old friends.
To New York.